once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to be making some fish pakora, like fish nuggets basically. We've got some absolutely delicious spices in there. We've got a nice white fish I'm using, salmon also works. They're so easy. Let's go and have a look at what we need. Okay, let's just have a little quick look at what we're going to be using. So fish, obviously. So I've got that's actually a sea bass fillet, which is, you know, no bones or anything in there, no skin. You can be using cod or anything you like actually. Salmon's good. Cut into kind of cubes, nugget kind of sizes, but again, you can kind of popcorn it maybe if you wanted. 1 egg. Here we've got equal parts of spices. We've got chili, turmeric, and garam masala powder. There's like a teaspoon of each. There we've got some gram flour or besan, which is a chickpea kind of flour. Here I've got corn flour or corn starch, which is the same thing, roughly equal parts. Cilantro or coriander fresh. Salt. In there I've got some finely chopped green chili fresh and garlic ginger paste, which is a mix of garlic and ginger kind of minced together. Again, about a nice heaped teaspoon there. Here I've got some lemon or lime juice. That's about it. Let's go and do it. Okay, so in the mixing bowl there we've got our fish. Let's drop in a bit of lemon or lime. I'm actually using lime, but lemon is fine. Nice pinch or two of salt to taste. We're then going to add in our powders. So chili powder, garam masala powder and turmeric. Now you could be playing around with these if you want, add in something else. Also you could be putting in some ajwan seeds or other coriander seeds, roughly chopped. Sometimes people do that. I'm going nice and straight today. Now we're going to get in our cilantro or fresh coriander, and our chili and garlic ginger paste. Let's give that a little mix. That's all good. Let's drop that 1 egg in, and again, little mix. And then we're going to get some flour onto this. Now I use roughly equal parts of both gram flour and corn flour. Let me just grab a spoon. So let's start with some corn flour or cornstarch. So 1, 2, and then let's go with our gram flour. 1, 2. Let's take a look now. We can always be adding some more, or if it's too dry, you could just add another egg and get it mixed in. Okay, that's looking great. I'm actually going to add a little bit more gram flour to that. So that's it, we've basically got our battered, coated fish. Now we're going to get over to the cooker. We're going to fry these pieces off. Okay, so it couldn't be more simple now. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can be using anything you want. There's our beautiful fish. So I'm just going to take 1 spoon, take it out. Let's just check one out here. That's good. You can see it's not too crazy hot. It's going to get hot, but we don't want it too crazy. And we just literally get these out, pop them in, and we're going to fry these around for about 4 to 5 minutes. I mean, that depends on how big or small you've cut your fish, but yeah, for me this is going to be about 4 or 5 minutes. I'm going to flip them over once or twice, get a nice colour on them, then they come out onto some, look at that, paper towel, and they're done. See you in a moment. Just look at these, I really love these. Now if you wanted to, I like a kind of thicker batter. So the basin flour will make it thicker. The corn flour or the cornstarch will make it thinner, slightly crispier in a way. But I like a nice batter on these, so that's why I added that little bit of extra basin flour. Alright, I think these are done, so out they come, onto some kitchen paper that will just absorb any little bits of oil. And you've got some really beautiful fish pakora. Look at those. Let me get them on a plate. Okay, there you go. Done. They're really, really beautiful. Nice with a little bit of kind of maybe tomato, chili chutney or something. You know, you can dip them in something, or something a little bit more mild, like a kind of yogurty kind of raita. Hope you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It helps us out a great deal. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.